Yo, yo, what up?
You started the stream yet?
Yes, sir. I figured we'd just start it early and hang out. Fuck it.
No.
I mean, screw it.
Everybody's on quarantine anyway.
Yep. What up? If you got the live stream on, make sure you mute it.
Come join us for the end of the world.
Yep. What up, Luther? What up, Eric? What up, Cody? What's our hit list today? Our hit list is, as always, shitty copyright-free music. See if we can find a good one. Yeah. Cody, if you have Zoom on your computer, you can come chat in the conference call. Well, let me make you famous real quick. You just gotta behave. There we go. What up, Clint? Eba. He was joking, Orgo. Kind of. Because they're just shutting everything down. That's all.
Oh no, I was just kidding about that. I'm sorry.
You're gonna give people heart attacks.
Yeah, I can't joke.
Gotcha. What up, Drew?
GG did a quick gap fill today.
Mm-hmm.
I was watching and the spreads were crazy.
There you go, Dom. Good job. I'm telling you, Trello's a game changer. It gives you that visual. What up, Blake?
Yeah, well, you just like show me one of your like examples of Trello, like how you do it, because I got on there and I was just
Yeah, I got you.
a little crazy about it. Maybe I'm not doing it right.
Alright, so yeah, it's unreal, Dom. So I just group it by the week, JR. And then each day, I put the day, the session, the pair, and then buys or sells, and then I just do a super quick description, and then I
Okay.
have the labels on there too with the picture.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna try that.
AIP, it took me about I want to say about a year and a half, a year. That's a year and a half, I would say. Spread should still be unreal, to be honest. Yeah, mine's still at 8. I remember the rule we learned from Thursday. If the spreads don't drop an hour before, we ain't doing crap.
Easy, bro. What's going on?
Yo, yo.
Easy, man.
Was it Ashley?
No, it's I think if you want to see it's Yessa.
Okay. What up, Solomon? How's it going, bro?
What's up, y'all?
Yo.
Uh,
Nope, no lockdown for me. If I do get locked down, that's totally fine because that's just more. Then I don't have to socialize with anyone. No. Come on, guys, come on. Don't get me all wild up right away. Didn't even start yet. GJ sells. Gonna be selling the crap out of the yen this week. Yeah, I'm trying, John. I mean, I normally don't leave my apartment anyway. I hate going out and doing things, unless it's going to the gym. So, and I'm pretty healthy, so I feel like I'm gonna be fine. I'm not too concerned. Or I think we're gonna stock up on a few extra like packages of chicken and turkey, just because everyone's going fucking nuts and buying everything, and we don't want to just run out because everyone's being an a-hole and taking all of it for no reason. So we think we might. Yep, spreads are high for me, Carlos. They'll drop in 30 minutes. So we're just kind of stocking up a little bit on some food just because everyone else is taking it all and we don't want to not have food. Not because we're freaking out.
I think it's such an overreaction.
Oh yeah, nobody's doing. I haven't even done any research. I've just listened to intelligent people, and I'm like, yeah, that makes sense. This is silly.
I've just looked at like bunch of articles. I'm just like, I have zero like obviously like I can get in whatever, like it would not affect me one bit if I get it.
Yeah, you'd be fine. You'd probably be fine in like a week.
Yeah, the survival rate's so high. It's not even that deadly. It's just so contagious. That's it.
Yeah, it's just
Not so much the people that are younger. It's the older people.
Mm-hmm.
No, I understand that. Like I understand like for the older generation, it is deadly and stuff like that.
Mm-hmm.
But that could be they could get any common cold if they have some sort of like an underlying immune deficiency. They're still gonna have a higher chance of passing away.
Mm-hmm.
No, but the mortality rate for older people with pre-existing conditions with this disease is way higher than anything else. Just look at all the people that are dying in Italy.
Yeah, that's also because isn't there? I was gonna say population on the older generation.
Right, and exactly, but that's what I'm saying is all the people are getting it and they're dying. I mean, we can't just be like, oh well, because I'm not gonna get sick and die. We're just not worried about the old people. I mean,
Yeah,
you can't function in a society that way. I mean, you have to protect everybody.
No, I understand. I'm not saying don't protect anybody. I'm just saying is like there's an overreaction with the public. Like, why are you buying toilet paper? Like, you get what I mean?
People are dumb. They're gonna overreact every time. But I mean, the virus is serious.
Mm-hmm.
There's no doubt about that. I mean,
I think
infectious disease. People have written books. Go look at the Joe Rogan podcast. He had an infectious disease doctor on there.
No, I seen it.
They're just not informing people enough.
Huh?
I don't think they're just not informing people enough. They're just saying, "Oh, it's a terrible disease. Everyone's getting sick." Instead, they should be saying, "It's a terrible disease. Everyone's getting sick, but it's only deadly to so and so."
Right, but it's so highly contagious that you and I can get it and not even know it for a couple of days and go spread it to all these other people, and then it just multiplies that much faster. You see what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
That's really the issue.
That's also
the
thing is like me and you can have it, and we won't show any symptoms at all. We can just be carriers.
Exactly, and like children get it, and they're not affected hardly at all. Children have a very very low rate of showing symptoms or getting really any kind of negative effects. So if you have a kid go visit his grandparents at a nursing home that's carrying it, I mean, they can wipe out the entire nursing home. You know what I'm saying? Like that's the issue.
No, I understand that, but it's like it should but people still overreact to the point where they're where they're emptying out these grocery stores when they have such a higher chance of survival rate compared to the elderly. It's like you shouldn't just take everything and not there's people.
They're not emptying grocery stores because they think they're going to get sick. They're emptying grocery stores because they think they shut down all these businesses and all these places and you can't leave your house. they're gonna need these supplies to get by until the quarantine is over. That's it.
You ever seen the video on Wuhan, China? You ever seen how people are like stuck in their houses? It's not even that bad here as it is over there. Like I stocked up not because I was scared, it's because I didn't want to go out. And because you know what I mean, that's why I stocked up on my food. I mean, you know, I ran out of food already, but
Yeah, so I mean, someone said I already ran out of my like coronavirus lockdown food. We haven't even had lockdown start yet.
yeah, but see, I'm not that worried though. I'm in the military, so you know they're gonna feed me anyway.
Yeah, I have
People
to.
don't want to get caught out. You know what I mean? That's the main thing. They don't want to be unprepared. I mean, which is understandable.
Yeah, that's what it is. Cause like, think about it. If you ever seen videos on China and how people survive, nobody wants to go out in the store like that. You know what I mean? Like the whole country sick. Ain't nobody trying to go to Walmart like that.
Yeah, let alone Walmart.
But people aren't buying like the correct stuff to me. Like where I am, like the example is they're buying toilet paper or whatever. Like that's so stupid overreaction.
Yeah,
Like why aren't you buying like vitamins that will help your immune system?
Yeah, the toilet tissue part, I didn't understand that either. I don't, cause like when it's time to survive, toilet tissue is the last thing I'm thinking about. I mean, I buy a lot of food. I didn't buy a lot of toilet tissue.
No, with the food, buy vitamins that will help boost your immune system. Vitamins and minerals that your body needs.
Have you seen where all this started? Google Chinese wet markets.
Yeah,
I
know.
I've seen that too.
It's crazy, bro.
Dude, that is insane. I never would have thought anything like that exists.
I never thought I'd see somebody eat a porcupine.
They eat all kinds of weird stuff, like weird.
You know what I mean? Like the other stuff is already it's like, all right, I get it, it's nasty. But when I saw the porcupine getting diced up, I said, no, I'm not a porcupine.
They were in there eating skunk.
I haven't seen the porcupine video. I've seen the bat soup or whatever, stock, whatever.
Oh, let me see if I can.
Look at the bat one, like the mouth is open always.
Yeah, I seen that too. And it was smiling. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
You know, I look back now, and I dropped out of infectious diseases at uni. And I'm thinking maybe I would have been some use, but it was a bloody tough course. So I thought, sod it.
So, if you guys saw my Instagram post, I asked about some fitness stuff. If anyone is interested in fitness, I have the information on the screen right now. That's basically my coach who coaches me right now. And if you're interested in just like
Hey, how you guys doing?
losing weight, getting healthy, or trying to get your immune system up and get healthier so you don't get the corona, that's where you should go.
Paul, is that your what's your Instagram, Paul?
I'll type it in the Zoom. My Instagram's normally on the screen, but right now I don't have the screen up yet.
Yo, what's going on, guys?
What's up, Mike? Hey, how's it going, guys?
Yo.
Easy. Yeah, I got it, Paul. I'm doing that intermittent fasting at the moment, Paul.
You're doing what?
In the intermittent fasting.
Okay, how's that going?
Yeah, it's good. I've been 3 weeks and I've dropped about 7-8 kilos.
Nice.
Yeah, so just with training like 2 times a week, and then just cutting my carbs really, and so eating clean, just clean eating. So I eat everything but clean.
Perfect.
It's worked really well. Yeah, just quite. So I've got another 15 kilos to drop.
There you go. Just don't do it too aggressively, because then you'll compromise your immune system.
Yeah, got it. But the thing is, just eating cleanly is just like, it's really good. I mean, I just feel fitter, faster, and stronger, you know?
Yep. Yeah, it'll make everything feel better. It even makes trading better, because like your mind is just clearer.
Yeah, absolutely. And I'm not eating any junk at all. Any kind of junk, just not eating anything. And it's just really good. I can't even. I mean, even just eating fruit, it's just so sweet now, you know?
I bet you. That's good, man. Keep it up. It's a
good.
good time to be healthy, that's for sure.
Yeah, that's true.
All right, I'm gonna switch the screen over. Is it 5:30? Yep, I'll switch the screen over. Where are we at? Live scene. There we go.
Yeah, I just heard that they're shutting down a lot of bars and restaurants. They already did it in Ohio and Illinois, and I bet you it's going to be a lot of the other states within tomorrow and this week at least.
Yep. Yeah, Lauren just texted me and said her bar's getting closed for 2 weeks, and we're in Wisconsin.
Yeah, this shit's going to be crazy, dude.
It's a little. You can't. I don't know. I think it's kind of silly because like people still have bills whether or not there's a virus. So just because there's a virus, oh, we can close everything. Okay, do our bills get put on hold too? No.
The Congress is coming up with a stimulus package to kind of help with that.
Okay, well that's good. I was gonna say because that would just be freaking stupid. Like, hey, let's send everyone home from work
for 3 weeks.
Really?
Mark
Yeah.
again in the morning, I bet.
So like I'm just trading now. But like I also don't have like I'm still young. I live at home. I don't got like any sort of crazy bills, just like phone bill, gas, but like that's pretty much it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I mean we don't have
Like,
we don't have any crazy bills either, but I mean I'm just saying like some people do.
Yeah, so like I'm out of a job for 3 weeks. I'm like, and I was pissed. I was like, really, bro? Like,
Yeah, I'd have been pissed too.
wow.
Mm-hmm. I mean I'm a little upset that she's out of work. I mean I'm fine. I can handle both of us right now, but it's still like, come on, you can't just tell someone they can't work and then not compensate their salary while they're gone.
I'll see if I can find it on here.
I mean, if you're gonna do that, you gotta at least pay them like 70% of what they're normally making, so they can at least, you know, put some food on the table. Maybe pay their rent so they don't get evicted.
Yeah, like I wouldn't get that because I'm part time right now. But like I feel bad for like some like the older, not older generation. I mean like older people that have like families and etc.
Mm-hmm.
Gotcha.
Like real bills to pay.
Mm-hmm.
Check Discord.
All right. You're so bossy, JR. God, you come back and you just tell me what to do all the time.
Oh, my bad. Will you please check Discord, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Ooh.
House passing.
Yeah, in
sleeping.
Canada, schools are closed until April 5th for us.
Well, this thing's crazy, boy. It's like an apocalypse.
The thing is, like, this is gonna happen again in 2 years or next year. There's always gonna be newer diseases, especially now, as the population is increasing and everything.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna get worse and worse.
And
We're lucky.
Control us and keep us scared.
What?
We're all like sheep.
Man, they got memes and stuff. Y'all see all the memes they got for this thing?
Mm-hmm.
People are crazy, man.
Those people got too much time on their hands.
What's wrong?
It is.
What's wrong
It's
with
so
that?
funny though.
So now we're kind of looking maybe a zone down there. Yeah, we'll see. All right, JR, let's see what you got. Okay, yeah, extend sick leave. Okay. But what about like bartenders and stuff? Like they don't even get hourly wage, they're just all tips. So how are they gonna work with that?
I can't answer that, man.
You know?
I think this is more for the corporations and stuff like that.
It's not for the people because they don't give a crap about us.
Vulnerable Americans, yeah, it's just saying Americans in general.
Hmm.
No, I don't think it's. I think it's everybody. We thought it would be important to assure the American people that would be willing to work together to get a job done for them.
Crazy, especially when you know people gonna get fired because everybody lost money, laid off, whatever you call it, fired, laid off.
You know what I feel the worst for is small business owners.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
So that's usually the main source of income.
you send the chart down? Hey, I did not get a chart down. So with everyone off of work, this is the perfect time to invest in mentorship and take 2 weeks of no work, learn how to trade, and then you don't even have to go back to work. That sounds like something I want to do.
Just that easy.
I have no idea, Orgo. No idea.
I like LMFX.
So yeah, this 30 minutes probably going to close back below here. And then we got clean traffic to here. And then once we get past here, we can drop to here. In terms of like 15 minute, 30 minute clean-ish traffic. It's not perfect. There's a few little hiccups, but in terms of 4 hour, I think we're going to fall to here, or somewhere in here.
GG on 5. I mean, it looked like it was just retesting the little support on 132.30.
Yep, up here. I think we're coming down, but spreads are still at 8 for me, so. What up, Miggy? Miggy, the link for Zoom is in Discord, just so you know, in the Asian session. Why do I have support between 130, 600 and 130, 400? Oh, because I went back to the left, and that's kind of an area I found that that's clean traffic down to there, I think the 15 minute.
They halt trading again? The indices aren't moving. It looks like they halted trading on the indices. Again.
Cole, to get the Discord link, you got to join the mentorship. So to do that, you go to this person's Instagram and you click on this link here. And then you click this little button. And then you'll be joining the group, and then you can, then you'll get the Discord link. What up, Wahid? But it's not a free link for anyone. It's only for the people in the group. He's sending it out this week, so I'll have the magic keys probably next week. Yep. Yeah, and if you do sign up, Cole or anyone, make sure you message me on either Instagram or Telegram, so I can communicate to you the next steps. Spreads. I'm really hoping the spreads come down and they're not going to be messy again, because if they're messy, we're just going to be probably watching.
Hey, why do you have those two bars down there?
Just some targets.
Okay.
Yep. So this one is that 30-minute level we just broke right here.
Oh, okay. I didn't see that.
So I'm just on the 15 I'm looking for entry, but I'm not taking anything because spreads haven't come down yet. So we're not going to get an entry till this is at 18, which will be 6 o'clock. But just waiting. That's just kind of the areas I want to pay attention to, because if we can start closing below here and making some lows, 4 hours are going to come back down to here. It just might have a little issue in this area, but that's what I'm saying. If we close below here, but I think we're going to be straight. Plus, we made a low below all this, so I also think we're going to be straight in terms of that. Just gotta wait for it now.
Okay, I see.
Yep. Yeah, I marked it up before you guys got here. Me and JR were. When I sent you guys the Zoom, I started marking it up. So I mean, JR saw it all.
What branch of the military are you in?
Me, Air Force.
Oh, appreciate your service, man.
Thank you. I tried.
I'd appreciate if you play COD with me more, but I guess thanks for your service too.
I was playing Dota. Dota, that's true love, man.
I don't know. You're gonna be like, hey, can we do our 1-on-1? I'll be like, yeah, playing Dota, man. I don't know.
And Dota is true love, man.
Is that like a first-person shooter, or what is that? I've never even heard of it.
It's like, you ever heard of League of Legends?
Yeah.
Similar to that, but better.
Okay.
Dota is a confusing game.
It helps you get smart, though.
It takes years to master the game, I feel like.
What's up? Where are you stationed? Charleston, South Carolina.
Boys, take care. I'm gonna run. Thank you so much.
Yep.
Yeah, stay safe, stay strong.
Have a good one.
I like that exit. That was quick. That was stay so strong. Yeah, that was nice.
Yeah, that was fine.
That's smooth as hell.
I have to use that.
How did you... some guy just joined. He said he just joined the Discord group, but I didn't get any... I don't think he joined yet. I'm saying there no payment came through and there was no... What up, Ali? Hi, Ali. You've been here every single day, so this is for you.
I guess the good thing about trading is kind of we all quarantine ourselves either way, so you can always trade.
We all hate people, but we love talking to each other.
We love fucking sitting here on our screen and not being next to people. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like, oh, we can sit here for days and talk to each other, but then someone's like, hey, let's meet up. I got a thing. I'm pretty busy today, actually.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah. What up, Steven? How's it going? Is a spread markup of 1 pip a lot for trading? I don't understand the question, Lotus. Do you guys?
I'm trying to help him.
Okay, yeah, I just don't know.
But he's asking about IC markets, and I just looked at what he's talking about. Like a standard account says $0 commission, and spread start at 1 pip. But he's thinking that that's all it'll be was 1 pip with no commissions.
Hmm.
But that's not how it. So I was gonna use IC markets, but
LMFX, baby.
yeah, here we are.
I could be making so much money from the referral links, but that's not why I do this. I think I've had like 20 or 30 people sign up through that link. Or through LMFX that could easily just be making bank.
How much do they? I mean, how does that work? I mean, I know they give you like percentage of.
Honestly, I have no idea. I've never looked into it. I've had a couple companies message me. They're like, hey, we saw you on YouTube. We were wanting to partner with you. If you put our link on your YouTube and send everyone to sign up to us, we're going to charge them this much and you're going to get this much of it. And I was like, yeah, no thanks. I don't want my viewers don't need to pay for anything they don't need to pay for. And it wasn't even like I was benefiting anyone. It was just like, here's some shitty stuff to make people buy stuff and you'll make money. So just hand out our garbage to everyone.
Yeah.
But if they were like, here's something that will actually benefit people. Like if Rakia was like, here's a link for the magic keys. Like, okay, yeah, let's do that because that's actually going to help. But just like some garbage, like, nah, you can leave.
I really want the magic keys.
Yeah, I'm excited for mine. I was talking to Rakia earlier. Shipping them
I'm
out this
holding
week.
off.
What's the magic keys? What's that?
Oh boy.
I
Missing
think
out.
Paul can explain it better.
What is their Instagram? I think I'm following them.
It's kind of like a keyboard for trading with functions in relation to trading.
Keyboard for trading. That sounds.
Yeah, if that
crazy.
makes sense.
Yep, here. What up, Christian? What up, Doug? How's it going?
It's basically a keypad to make trade executions easier. Like you can
Yeah.
auto set your stop. You can auto set your take profits, your where you close, your trailing stops. You can basically automate everything.
Yeah, it looks like this.
That's crazy.
Just a little keyboard. It's wireless, so you can, like, if you're going to the bathroom and you're trying to get ready for a trade, you can take it to the bathroom and enter trades while you're going to the bathroom. You know, I mean, tons of uses.
Trying to get a desktop before and then grab that.
Yeah, definitely work better with the desktop because then there won't be any like lag or anything. Verto, I'd say yes, but it won't let you post a link. I think they're like 144 for those magic keys.
Yeah, I've been practicing self quarantine for years.
I saw that. Same. So yeah, I'm hoping spreads are gonna drop in 2 minutes.
Yeah, these are some massive first couple candles too.
Yeah.
Yeah, like 80 pip candles.
Yeah, man, that last one with the wick was over 125.
It's crazy, man.
On this 15 minutes, this is like a 50 pip candle. The stop loss is crazy high.
Yeah. Yeah, I think a lot's got to get kind of shaken out tonight in terms of New York's going to be interesting tomorrow as well.
I'm hoping it's not too wild.
It's gonna be wild for a while. Until they figure out this coronavirus.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, last week was fine. I did way better than the previous week. It's just the spreads for Asian session, if they're gonna be like that like they were Thursday, I'm not trading that. So I'm hoping it's not that wild.
Yeah. So what's the theory behind it? You posted in the Discord. You said something about get the spreads at. Hold on, let me look for it. No,
So,
you came up with some theory.
Yeah, so an hour before Asian Open, spreads normally drop and come to the normal spread. But Thursday, when I took that loss, first of all, it was kind of a dumb trade, but I just kind of figured it would work out. It didn't, whatever. But the spreads dropped at Asian Open for like 15, 20 minutes, and then I was like, okay, they're going to stay down. So then I got in the trade, and then they spiked back up to like 7, 8, 9 pips. So I'm thinking if spreads aren't normal for the entire hour before Asian Open, they're going to keep fluctuating throughout the entire session, and you're just going to probably want to preferably not take a trade at all. But if you really want to, definitely just cut your risk down. For sure.
It's been staying at a stable 10 right now.
Yep, mine has not dropped yet either. It's normally coming down by now, so this will be really annoying if it doesn't. But literally everything is going insane. Just looking at my market watch, everything is just spiking like crazy.
I'm hoping for a small bullish candle here.
Volume is still lower than normal. Spreads may last longer, like last Friday. Okay. Yeah, well, hopefully they'll come down before Asian Open, because otherwise, I don't know. We'll see what happens in the next hour.
Look how big these 30-minute candles are.
Mm-hmm.
170 and 85.
Yeah.
Wow.
So I'm hoping for a small bullish 15-minute and then a break below.
Yep. Ideally, I'd like a close below there. Now we're probably going to need a close, or I think a close below here, or just spread to come down and then some lower lows to be made, and then probably try to get something in here once the up push has kind of been shown it doesn't want to go up. And then here's going to be your safest entry right here, but depending on how everything goes, it could push up, and then we get an entry here to come down to here. So we'll just have to see how it goes. My spread moved for a second, but it stood right back up to 8. Yeah, Doug knows his stuff. He's been doing this for a while. Resistance at 13200. Yeah. Yep, we could have something here. But you know how I like to do it, that's too far away. So I would more so be looking at this area. Or maybe we even got a clean candle here, maybe even getting back up to here. Kind of right where we opened at. Did we open here? I think we opened here. Yeah, so we opened here, yeah, gap got filled, came back down, we're going to low, we're going to form a lower high, either here or here. I think anywhere in here, we could get the lower high, and it doesn't matter where it happens. If it happens here, or here, or here, or here, or here, it doesn't matter where it happens, you just have to wait for it to happen, and then trade off of that. So that's why I don't have anything marked up here, is because I know something's going to happen in here, but I don't know where. So I'm just going to let it happen, and then I'll mark it and then execute accordingly if we get the opportunity. Yeah, I think GJ's gonna keep coming down. What inspired me to start streaming? I don't know. We started with just Zoom, and Zoom got really popular. We were maxing out the call every day, and then I figured, and I still got messages. More people wanting to come in, and I wasn't gonna pay $200 to Zoom a month to get the bigger package. But YouTube was free, so figured I'd give live streaming a try, and so far it's been doing pretty well. Spreads looking like they're coming down a little bit. Dropped down to 5.
You know how they say don't touch your face and wash your hands?
Mm-hmm.
I never realized how much I touch my face.
Yeah, so if you have bad acne, it's probably because you just touch your face a lot.
No, I'm just saying like wipe. I don't know, just like scratching my head or wiping my nose or stuff like that. Like I touch my head a lot, and I have been trying to keep myself from doing it, or trying to get in the habit of not doing it as much. You know.
Yeah. Yeah,
So,
Carcats, you need to get in the Zoom call, bro. I don't know why you're not in here. Sorry, JR, my bad. What are you saying?
no, that was it. It's just
Oh.
stuff like that you never notice until you have to. You know.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah. Touching your head isn't the bad part. The face is because it's so sensitive.
Mm-hmm. Your eating
Yes.
really stimulates your like clear skin or not too.
Can you boys hear me?
Yes, sir.
How are you?
Lovely. How are you?
Very, very good.
GJ is starting to come down, but it's got to stay down. So if spread, yeah, back up to 7. Well, I'm gonna say it just in case spreads come down. If this candle makes another lower high, and the next 15, then the next one opens and it breaks the low, I'm probably gonna take a sell down to here. But spreads have to come down. If spreads don't come down, I'm not doing anything. But if it does happen, that was me calling it 30 minutes before it happens, if it happens.
If the candle is a super weak candle, that would be such a beauty.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because the previous one couldn't reach the high either. But if this one kind of finds like a really like a 5-minute support or something like that, and starts to make a new high, then I think it'll start to go up. But I don't think it should make a new low, and then go up. Because it has 2 candles right now, so this one should either go up or stay where it is, and the next one should go up, or it'll start to come down. You like it out here on YouTube land? Okay, fair enough. Spreads are coming down a little bit, but still at a 5. Yep. Yeah, I mean, it could be a daily, weekly support. But it's not what I'm looking at. But it makes sense. If it goes up, that makes sense. If it comes down, I mean, kind of didn't really mean anything then. Yeah, Jesus, my spread is like going nuts.
Yeah, it's kind of jumpy, huh?
Yeah, it's down to like 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. Like, it's down to 3 now, but still don't trust it. I'm gonna run to the bathroom while we wait. I got a new chair.
Did you? What kind?
I stole my girlfriend's. It was my chair, but we just switched.
You think that chair will make you a better Call of Duty player?
Still better than you. But yeah, it's wider too. Because my other chair was kind of a little small for me. It was like hugging me a little tight. This one's like a larger person chair.
Yeah, I heard.
Oh, what do you play called on?
Oh, my bad. Go ahead, dude.
No.
A larger person chair.
Gotta call it like it is.
I respect it.
I'm down when we're done, Cody. As long as Xbox is done being stupid. And these spreads are still wild.
Yep.
Well, this could have been the entry I was talking about right here.
Yeah, that's what I got marked up too, but the spreads are just ridiculous.
Yep.
Still at 6, 7 pips.
Yeah, mine are at 3 and 4, but they're spiking around. Yep. Broke the low, it's gonna fall down to support. And no trade because the market's on some dumb shit.
Damn, she's running.
I'm sure it will. Spreads are moving really, really fast, so typically there's going to be some big moves when that happens. So it might run all the way down, break the low, and keep going, to be honest.
That's our money, boys. Our money's running from us.
The spreads just better not do this all week, or that's going to suck.
It's so hard when your spread's a 4 pip, even though it's a clear move. It's like, dude, you're already halfway in your trade of getting your pips, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Kind of annoying.
Yeah, it's not even worth it.
No, because then you're sitting there and you're negative 4 pips deep already, and then you go up 4 pips, but that already would have been your TP. You know, a couple more pips, and you would have been already in and out.
Yeah. I have a feeling this session's going to be like Thursday.
I had a feeling it was from the start just because of everything going on.
But everything was going on last week, too, and the spreads were normal, except Thursday.
Yeah.
So I don't know. Yeah, we have 0 accounts. We shouldn't have a spread regardless.
Yeah, that's the sucky part. We've got ECM brokers on a 0 account spread, and we're still getting 4 pip spread. I wonder what people who don't have an ECN are getting right now.
That's what I was just gonna say.
Everybody
Right
that I
now,
pretty much know right now trades an ECN.
Well, 2020 is not turning out to be the best year ever.
New year, new me.
I'm telling you, dude, Kobe had it all stuck together. Kobe went, and now everything's just crazy.
This will be one to remember for sure.
Yeah.
Or
Rest in peace, the legend.
Yeah, GJ's at between 4 and 6 for me.
yeah, mine's
Well, strategy worked again. We got a good imaginary win. It was a good session, guys.
yeah. Well, I mean, we learned something, so sometimes that's all that matters, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, our trade's up 25 pips. Well done, guys.
Yeah.
easy money. No drawdown whatsoever. Even if we were actually in the trade, there would have been 0 drawdown. 10 and 15. Oof.
wow.
Yeah, this is going to be a crap show tonight. Great.
Man, I remember when I first started, I didn't even know what a spread was.
Yeah, that's like
The spread just jumped all the way back up to like 8, 9.
I was just gonna
Yeah.
say that. Look, now it's 9 pips for a spread again. What the hell?
So stupid.
Yeah.
This
I think I'm
session's
just
going
gonna
to
wait
be
it out.
this session's going to be garbage.
My only loss every week. Well, I took 2 losses last week, and it was on Sunday. And the week before that, I had a Sunday loss. The week before that, I had a Sunday loss.
Yep. Oh, yeah, Miggy, that's probably rough. Well, I called the trade. Look at that. We would have won. Beautiful.
And then it was easy too. Like, I didn't even move sideways. It went straight down.
Shit, maybe we should have taken the trade at the old 4 pip spread.
No.
No, I'm just messing with you. I'm just
I
saying
know.
it's up 40 pips right now.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Watch us break this low right here.
I think it's going to. Yep. Yeah. So missing out on this trade is probably a good thing.
It's gonna hit it because we're not in it. It's gonna be like, oh yeah, you should have been in this trade. And look what you get to miss out on.
Yeah, but then you make bad habits. So then when spread's high next time and you take it, you get hit with a big ass loss.
Yep.
Yeah, yeah.
So it's just best to, like Doug said in the chat, this is part of it. Some days you see the move perfectly. Everything is super good. We got super good momentum. We got a really clean candle, but we can't take the trade because of spread. So
Mm-hmm.
I think it'll still be fine all week. It might just be Sunday because the market just opened, and it's kind of like evaluating all the stuff that's been happening the past couple days. So I'm thinking by London it'll probably be better, and the New York sessions will be fine, and then Asian session I'm hoping will be fine all week, at least till Thursday, or maybe all week would be great.
The spread's legit jumping from like 1 to all the way back up to like 5, 6.
Yeah, mine's going from like 2 to 3 to 8. It's just a constant moving number for me. It's not sitting still.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna look for a trade Orgo, but I'm not taking anything unless the spreads come down. But as last week, if you saw my Instagram story, if they're not down an hour before, the whole session is gonna be garbage in terms of spread. So there's a very high chance I'm gonna be just sitting out for tonight. because that was the rule I made last week, and it's just as messy as last week. So I'm not even gonna risk my money. I'm gonna save it for tomorrow. But I wonder if this is. I wonder if this is every pair. Maybe like maybe EJ's down or UJ is lower.
GCAD was like 28 a minute ago.
28 pips.
Yeah.
GA spread's bad too. It was at like 20, now it's at like 15.
Yeah, spreads are shit. Fuck them. Hey, Paul.
Yep.
I got a date with a Russian at lunchtime.
That's enough. Yeah, you caught some nasty moves, Doug. Oof.
Yeah, man.
400 or 500 pips. It's a nice day for you.
GJ
Hey,
just
Ash.
coming around.
Hello.
Hello.
What are your thoughts on gold? You trade gold, right?
Nope.
Yeah, God's my thing.
What are your thoughts on gold right now?
I mean, with the spread and everything, I'm just avoiding it. Sometimes on like a Monday, I typically take like kind of Monty's advice and like use half risk, because I always find Mondays like a bit of the boogeyman day for me. So at the moment, it's just open. So if it's going to close the gap, it's going to go down. But if you look at GJ, did it gap? No, it didn't.
Yeah, I did it. Filled it.
I did. All right. Okay, so it's only been filled. So for me, if you're looking at gold, I just wait for a pattern to emerge. So for example, if this next 30-minute closes bullish, if it was a normal day, I'd be like looking to take it to that wick fill to the left. But it's too early. So for me, Mondays, if the setup isn't like so clear for me, I'll probably just chill all day unless it gets to like. So for here, I can trade all sessions. Like London starts at lunchtime, so I can just start trading then if I don't like the look of anything for Asian. But yeah, right now just chill and wait. It's in a downtrend, so you ideally want to be taking shorts. So look at the setups for that.
Got it.
Yeah. But I'm going apartment hunting today as well. I can't wait. Spoken to like the hotelier. He's like gonna link me up as well. It's gonna be savage.
Look how far back GJ retraced.
Yeah.
This rate, it's looking like a no trade day.
Like 48 pips.
Fucking oath can't. I know. With GJ, it seems to be pushing pretty hard off that 344 area. So could be pushing up from there. Crazy. Yo, JR. RJ. JR.
I don't think he probably went somewhere.
Ah,
Yeah, smack.
I thought I smacked him. How was your guys' weekend? Did you get up to much?
What's up?
I said, how was your weekend? Did you guys get up to much?
Nope. Just worked a little bit.
Cool.
The spread's like back up to 8 for me on GG.
Yeah, mine's at like 5.
Man. It's crazy right now. I remember when I had the demo account, I didn't know what a spread was, man.
Yeah, you learn that the hard way.
Well, I had a demo account, so it wasn't that bad, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, I have, like, lot sizes. I didn't even know what that was. I start off -20. I'm like, what happened here?
How did you get into Forex trading?
I think someone from my sister's job mentioned it to her.
Yeah.
And then I just started looking into it for myself because I was already into like regular stocks, not stock trading, but just like investing into stocks. And then I was like, you know what? Let me take a look, and I watched a lot of YouTube videos, and then boom, I saw Paul's video.
Yeah. I've just found you on Instagram. I'm gonna follow you, so you best follow back.
Don't be being bossy.
Oh, okay.
You little diva.
Oh, I'm following you.
Ideal spread for Asian session is under 2. Consistently under 2. Between 1 and 2. Normally it sits at like 1 point.
Yeah, of course.
I don't really use it. I followed you back. I don't really use it too much, by the way.
Oh man, you should get off, mate. Like, I can recommend some Instagram profiles that you can get sucked up and suck up loads of good time. Like, I've recently found this one called Influencers in the Wild. Oh my days, it's the best Instagram page. Like, you get lost there for hours. You just laugh at people who are taking Instagram way too seriously, and like they're just doing these most ridiculous posing and like videos and stuff. Oh god, it's so good. So
What's
good.
the page?
Influencers in the Wild. It honestly, I showed a girl last night, and she was just like, "Oh my god!" I was like, "It's my gift to you, babe. Gift from England."
It's just too cringy to even watch.
Yeah, no, that's why it's so good, man. It's so good.
Some of them, nah, I can't look at this.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Oh, mate.
That makes sense, Doug. That's kind of what I do, just on a smaller scale. So we're doing the exact same thing, but I'm looking at 4 hour for my like higher time frame bias for buys or sells, and then the 15 and 30 minute to kind of pick an area that I want to execute at.
I don't know, it's good we saw that week retest that support area though. It's valid. Pretty nice seeing that.
Spreads are still doo-doo.
It's funny, I got to Vietnam. Just in time. As soon as I got here, they closed the border.
I think GJ's going to come down, but I think a bearish 30 minute would be a good close.
Who's entering trades? I hear that.
Nah, I'm not entering the trade. I'm just playing around with something.
Yep. No trades, Burns.
Yeah.
Might not be one tonight just because of spread.
So a sell limit is like when it hits a certain price, it instantly jumps into the sell, right?
No, that'd be a sell limit if it hits it. price pushes up, hits it, and then drops.
Mm-hmm.
So if it's a sell
It
stop,
took me so long. It's like,
sell stop price comes through it to activate it, and then the limits, it always has to do the opposite to activate it.
Oh, okay. I see. I never knew what that was.
yeah, it took me ages to understand what a sell stop was. It's so long. It's so annoying. Like, I got what a sell limit was. I understood that completely. But as soon as a sell stop, I'm like, who would do that? Why would you do that? Yeah, it took me ages. But now I understand the benefit of them.
Mm-hmm. It makes sense.
AUDUS is getting walloped.
Yeah, I know. That's, oh god. Oh, it's going to make Asia so much harder. Not harder. But my
Are
money's
you
going to go not
traveling
as
with
far.
US dollars?
No, man. I'm traveling with your piece of shit.
You're a piece of shit.
Aussie dollar. Yeah, it is. Honestly, it's so bad. Like, every day it's like, how much is my sand worth today? Oh, less sand. Perfect. It's like, it's jumping like crazy, man. So something that's like $900, like Aussie to US, it was like 900. And I think now it's like 1,010 or 1,000 something. Like, what kind of jump is that?
I always use pending orders. Let the price come to me. That makes sense. That's what I was trying to look at.
I've started like doing both. So like a market execution followed by like a sell or buy limit. And that's working pretty well for me.
Yep, I like it, yeah. So yeah, we could get one here, and then we'll probably break through here and come down to here.
Yeah, my spreads are being wild as well. It just went from 1 pip to 10 pips a second.
Because then that'll be below the 30 minute. 30 minutes bearish. But it kind of looks like maybe it bounced off of here. But 30 minute, our new level is right here. Because we came down clean, came up clean. So if we get below, it should continue to drop. What up, London? What up, Hayden? Because yeah, this broke the low of everything. Excuse me, everything. So I think we just need to find a good enough support or resistance, which could be right here, to then drive us back down. So yeah, this could be the resistance. What would be ideal is if this pushed up and then kind of closed like it is, and then get an entry from here down to here. Yeah, that's 50 pips right there. That would be most ideal.
What would be the range for the stop loss? Essentially.
Won't know till the candle does it.
Yeah, true.
Because I put it on the candle that does it, so the stop loss would be whatever that is.
Yeah, it could. The things with GJ, it could work up to the high wicks there as well before pushing back down, lowering in tracking. So
Yeah, I'm thinking it's gonna. I don't know. We'll see. I mean, spreads are down to 3, but that's still really bad. How come you're moderator? Because you're here every day, that's why.
super cute.
You silly.
Is Doug in the Discord too, or
Nope. No, that's only for like the people I teach.
yeah? I just thought he'd be in since he was a moderator.
No, the moderator's just YouTube. So people that show up every day that bring value, are respectful and responsible in the chat, then I make them moderators. Yeah. Plus Doug's, he's a full-time trader. He has been for years, so he knows his stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm aware. I'm looking at a fair few more people. Yeah, talk about network and everything while I'm here. Get them on the stream. Get them to come watch the stream.
Your mic cut out I didn't hear anything you said.
Is it any better now?
A little bit.
God damn it. Yeah, my internet's pretty trash here.
Gotta get off that dollar.
I'm not sure, Mark.
Yep.
I swear they're still jumping.
Yeah.
It can be lonely.
Mine slowed down a little bit, but they're still higher than normal.
I'm jumping between like 3 to like 6.
Thanks, Doug. I'm still new to trading, so I'm still learning. Maybe I should download this app on my phone too. Let's see.
Which app?
The Zoom app. I'm using my laptop or my desktop right now.
Yeah, I'm just using it off my iPad. So.
Ideal spread is, for me, normally 1.2 to 1.8 pips, roughly. But they're jumping back up to 5 and 2. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna do anything, to be honest. I don't like it. I've been doing it almost 2 years, Wayne, and I think I don't know how long everyone else has been trading.
4 weeks.
Yeah, I got a bunch of new people, some veterans.
Market Wilden. Damn, market be acting up, man. I think the market got the virus.
For real.
The market been coughing, boy. Crude is 30.26. I've been seeing a lot of people trade the crude oil.
Yeah, a lot of my friends say, do I trade like oil and all these other things? I said, nah, man. I just stick to what I know. Muddy the water. So, Paul, did you say this stream thing doesn't tell you where people are watching from?
Nope.
So, does it tell you where your subscribers are?
I think it tells me the country.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah, Paul, next month I'm going to buy I don't know whether to buy an Xbox or just get a controller for my laptop. We can cod it up.
I'm down.
You can teach me.
If we're all quarantined, there's gonna be a lot of Call of Duty going on.
Yeah, man. When I look at some apartments later this week, I'll send you some videos and pictures, man. Honestly, for what you pay and what you get, it's mind-boggling. Like, mind-boggling.
But do they have good internet there? Can you even get good internet?
Yeah, of course you can, man. Like, Southeast Asia is like the best internet in the world.
Oh. Well, what's going on with your end, bro?
It's just because I'm staying at like a hotel, so they don't really have to invest in good internet.
Gotcha.
So I'll go to an apartment or like like a co-working space. They'll have like 100 to 200 like megabyte speed, gigs, whatever it is.
Oh, when you play Call
pulls up community on YouTube.
Because trade last days or weeks. Doug, how long do you stay in trades? You say you stay in trades for days and weeks?
What's up?
No, I'm looking at Doug's message. He said he's staying in trades for days and weeks.
Yeah, I think he's swing trading them because he's off the daily.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Same concept, just on the daily chart, right?
No, I ain't going to Vietnam. Hell no. I ain't leaving my fresh ass office. Hell no.
Man, honestly, mate, it's so good here. It is unbelievable.
Maybe
Yeah,
if he gives me if he gives me half of that 300K account, maybe I'll think about it. But still no for sure answer.
Yeah. Hey man, I told you once I'm waiting for my contracts and everything to come through. When I get my first paycheck, I'll send you a fuckload of coffee. And then you'll be like, wow. And that's the standard coffee, man.
You're going to join the group too, so I'll know when you get your paycheck.
Yeah.
Because it'll be like, Ashley joined the group, and I'll be like, great, now I got to deal with this shithead.
Now, I was talking to Monty, he said to wait out for a bit. He's got something that he's sorting out.
Monty's got what?
He said he's sorting something out.
For what?
I don't know what it is. I don't know. He just said to hang tight, so I'm hanging tight.
Hang tight for what?
I don't know. I just told you I don't know.
Oh.
but man, you should see the beach here as well. Did you see my post on Instagram? Like, this is my new home. It's on my story. You should check it out, man. It's a stunning beach.
Asian beaches is shit.
Nah, man. Nah, you should check this one out.
I'm
Like,
looking at your
it's
story.
literally
I don't see. I just see a puppy.
Yeah, there'll be loads of puppies. There'll be loads of dogs.
That's all I
Got,
see.
like,
I don't
tons of
see.
dogs.
I don't see a beach.
Alright, mate. I'll do another one later today.
Hey Ash, what's your Insta?
So you can either search me via my handle or my name. So either Ashley DVG or Ashley space garlic.
Yep, exactly, Doug. I love that idea. All right, so with this, just real quick, I just want to point out with the strategy when I say I'm selling because of the 4 hour and people are like, oh, it's at support, it's doing this. You're not realizing that we got that. This one candle did break, but spreads didn't. There was no entry. So here, there's a low, but there's still no entry because of spreads. But here, no lower low, no lower low, no lower low. So if price is going to respect the support, it's not going to give us that low when we can even take a trade. So there's not even an opportunity to be on the losing side, because if it's going to respect the support, it's going to keep going up, not make lows to come back to support.
This thing's gone.
Yeah, spreads are still nasty, so today's probably one of those days.
Did the spreads get better later in the day or what?
Nope.
I didn't look at the charts or anything.
Nope, because the last time they got better at Asian Open for like 20 minutes, and then when I entered, spreads spiked up again, so.
Yeah, I know, but for New York, did they get better for New York?
Oh yeah, New York was fine.
All right, okay. Yeah. Might have to chillax until then.
Is there a way on Zoom to deafen, like Discord? Wait, I can mute you guys too?
Is there a what?
Is there a way on Zoom where I can mute all of you too? Like on Discord, or? If you guys understand what I mean.
If you go to YouTube, you can just turn the volume off there.
I watch off Zoom.
You're talking about Zoom, right?
Yeah, I think he's talking about Zoom. He's trying to deafen, like on Discord.
What is Discord?
The Discord's my private group, but it's like a chatting app.
Ah.
So here, I'll pull it up real quick. So this is kind of the private group. We got like a general chat, and then we got each session.
Yeah.
All that.
I thought
and
you
then,
guys were using Slack.
Nope, that's Raquel. I like Discord better because it has these like voice channels. So instead of someone like conversating back and forth, you can just jump into one of these and like have a conversation.
I'm with you. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. Yeah, it's super nice. That's your end, Mark. The screen is fine everywhere else, I believe. Can you guys see on YouTube everything's fine?
Yeah, we're good.
Okay.
Good. You probably got to refresh the page or something.
Yes, sir.
Yep. No, Muhammad, I only trade I trade New York session kind of by myself with the group. We're normally talking when we're trading in New York, but then I do the live stream for Asian session, but that's it. I try to sleep during London. Yep, there we go, Mark.
I thought you say you try to sleep.
Yeah, I try
you never
to.
sleep, do you?
It doesn't always work.
I love sleeping. I'm passing out all the time.
Yeah, I do too, but sometimes I just can't.
I hate sleeping.
Don't ever hate sleep, bro.
No, because like when I sleep like 8-9 hours a night, I always feel more exhausted in the morning than when I sleep like 3 to 5 hours.
Get cold showers into your game, bro. Cold showers are they liven you up for the day.
But I also hate taking showers in the morning. Sometimes take it at nighttime.
Yeah, well, need to change that game, bro.
It's hard when I wake up at like 4 a.m. to go to work.
Yeah. Yeah, I used to just have a cold shower and then boom, I'm in. Like when I was working on farms, starting work at 3, 4 a.m., splash my face, well, get in the shower for 5 minutes, cold water, boom, I'm electric. I'm ready.
What kind of farm did you work on?
I was like a Monday slave in Australia, man. So I worked on like about 8 farms.
What were they
It
farming?
was, what was farming. So the first farm I did is for grain. I was pulling the massive tarps, so the massive covers over the big bins of grain. That was horrible. Like it was like doing a whole body workout every day. It was your body didn't have enough time to recover, so you're just aching non-stop. So I did that for about 6 weeks. Then I went to Bundaberg in Queensland and worked on like loads more farms. So I did like sweet potatoes, watermelons, pineapples, chilies, lychee, avocado, pumpkins.
Nice.
No, it's not nice. It was horrible. It was torture, man. Like, it was horrible. It was
Any
genuinely
cattle
horrible.
farms or sheep farms?
Absolutely not, man. No way. That's not my vibe. I love animals, man. I can't be doing that shit.
I don't think me and you will get along then.
Yeah, well, someone's got to look after the things that can't speak.
What about the rock then?
What do you mean, what about the rock?
If somebody kicks a rock,
Why do I care about a rock?
because it doesn't speak.
Yeah, but it's not sentient.
That's
Yeah, it has
true.
no nerves.
How do you know? Did you talk to a rock and it told you it doesn't have any nerves?
Yes, I did.
I've taken a shitload of acid and they don't talk back.
I don't know, Ash.
What do you mean you don't know?
I think rocks have feelings.
You never know.
I'll throw loads of my feelings at you via a rock.
This thing's
Nah.
gone. What's going on?
It's just Asian Open, man. It's just, I always take it chill for this on a Monday.
Did you see Rakil just put something up? The last patient in Wuhan has been dispatched. All temporary hospitals closed. Life is going back to normal.
Savage.
Wait, how long did that take?
How long will it take?
I think like 2 months, 2.5 months.
Yeah.
When did that start for them? In November?
Yeah.
Oh, like
Nah, January.
January.
January?
Yeah,
End of
yeah,
January.
January.
Well, that's when it came out, but they were hiding it beforehand, right?
Yeah.
It's not November. It was in November.
But
Yeah, they were hiding it until that doctor that was trying to tell the world about it died. They couldn't.
Yeah.
R.I.P. legend.
Yeah.
Yep, poor guy.
So, GJ looks like a break and retest on the 1 hour. Still like looking for sells.
Yep.
Private flips and like do a
Yeah, I didn't even mark the
withdrawal.
4 hour because normally Sundays and there's not really a 4 hour to mark, but we'll mark it just so we have an idea.
No, I'm looking at the 1 hour.
And I was just marking the high for where I could look for buys.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm still like biased for sell.
Yep, yeah, it hasn't even broke the 1 hour high yet, so.
I'm actually about to move my sell stop up below the current 15. Because I got lucky well, not even lucky. Like, I've been doing that all last week. Like, when it comes up to retest, I'll just put it below the bullish candle.
Yep.
And I'll just like do a massive drop.
Yep, whenever it breaks those opposite colored, you get a nice move.
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, this could just be the hourly coming up, and then if we get back below here, that's going to come down all the way. But
Exactly.
to come down here, you got to have your stop up here. That's going to be too big unless this thing comes back and closes down here, which would be perfect, but still then our hourly is bullish now. So it's going to have to when this 15 closes, it'll have to go back up, test it, make sure it doesn't want to go higher, or go higher, and then come back and then make lows again. Yeah, you'll figure that out, Skeeto. We'll get into that eventually.
Yeah.
I love Forex. Thank God I figured this out.
Yeah.
Because I was never in the mindset ever like to go to school, get a 9 to 5 job. Even though I'm in school right now, that's just not my game plan for the rest of my life.
Yeah.
That's the same plan I'm taking.
Forex is like a girlfriend. Sometimes you love it, sometimes you hate it.
It's also emotionally messes with the head. That's what girlfriends do.
Don't say that. Don't say that too loud. You'll get some people in trouble.
That's why you should come Asia, man. There's plenty of women around, and they are loose.
Ash, you will justify
I'm
anything
good. I'm
with
in
Asia.
a 3-year
Honestly, bro,
relationship.
you've not been here. Oh, have you been here?
I've been there. I've been there.
Yeah, he's always been here for.
Let me use my power of guessing right now. Let me guess you've been to Bali.
I have been. A lot
There's
of
only one
places.
magic on here, Ash. You can't have two types of magic.
What do you mean?
Cats. He says I do magic on here every day. We can't have two magicians on the stream.
You're stealing the show, man.
Mm-hmm.
Nah,
That's my
magic
bit.
everywhere.
You trying to steal my act, bro? I think that's
Is
what.
What's on about, Brett?
Is this beef right now? Are we gonna have a boxing match?
If you want to lose, we can.
Does anyone play computer games?
No. Just gotta soften the mood real quick.
No.
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 What kind of computer games we're talking here?
League of Legends.
Oh, absolutely not. No
If you said
way.
Dota, it would have been a little bit different. I played Dota.
Nah, I
Isn't
think
Dota
people
like
use their
League of
lives
Legends?
to, like,
It is
No,
the older League of Legends. Yes.
League of Legends is like Dota.
Oh, we got
like-
some shit talking here.
I've seen like people like lose their lives to World of Warcraft, man. So I don't go anywhere near like PC games. Like genuinely like lose their lives. I'm like, what's happened to you, man? Like you've become like a weird creature, gremlin. Don't be needing that.
It's true. Does happen.
Yeah.
Look at that, right above the bearish candle. Boom, boom. Yep. Mm-hmm. Well done, Frankie. I still think we're coming back down. I just needed to find some resistance to then come back down.
Definitely.
You know what looks super messy? GA on the 4-hour.
Yeah.
It's been crazy. I was like, what's happening?
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Pass on that one. Absolute pass.
It's been like that for a couple
Louise.
days.
Yeah, nah, man. Nah, I ain't going anywhere near that thing. That looks like pulling out hair material. Jesus. Is GN the same? Yeah, GN's just as disgusting. But it's looking more short, more ideal for shorts than longs. But nah, I won't go anywhere near it right now. Like Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, just nah, pass, hard pass. Like when the world's in disarray, you want to be looking at like Japanese yen and Swiss franc because they go up in value.
That's the other reason I think we're coming down.
I can't believe Bitcoin went down like this, though.
It's good.
One of my friends has hundreds of thousands of dollars invested into it, and he's like having a breakdown.
No,
Oh,
I think it's
yeah, man, it's so funny to see.
not financial advice.
Bitcoin is crazy. Well, see, I got in at Bitcoin at $900, so Either way, I'm still winning, but I've already took my money out.
I have a runner going on USD CAD right now, like 44 pips.
There you go.
Beautiful.
Buy or sell.
Sell.
Nice.
But it was more of kind of like a risky trade because it based off the 5 minute.
BDA.
Yeah.
Look at this thing's
BDA.
coming all the way back down to that resistance. Look at that. That's a weak hourly close right there. 30 minute. Closed above, but it bounced off of that top area pretty hard. So I think if it goes up and comes back down here, see what is that? 718. 718 on 30 would be right about there. That's more than halfway on the candle. Yeah, I mean, if it breaks here, it's definitely
a
gonna.
massive drop is about to come.
Because hourly just retested, pushed back. Yo.
Is that a bird?
Oh, fuck.
It's always somebody in the mic.
Sorry.
No, I'm just curious. Is that a bird or is it like an alarm?
That's a bird, man.
Oh
Oh,
shit!
but you should come to Asia. We have the best birds.
Yeah, even to get below here, just from here, it's 50 freaking pips.
Yeah, stop loss is so wide.
Damn.
Yeah, it's been like that all week too. Like you gotta just take the risk and like, you know. But when it drops, it drops. Or it like goes up, it goes up. That's a good thing. Usually you're out in the blink of an eye.
Yeah, but if you're
I'm
risking
done trading for
50
the day.
pips to make your percentage, you gotta hit 50.
Yeah. First dose for possible coronavirus vaccine to be trialed tomorrow in the United States.
Bro, Canada's way ahead of you. They already started testing.
Alright, well, hopefully one of them figures it out pretty soon. Doesn't matter who.
Would you get if there was an immune system shot? Or like a flu?
I wouldn't, personally.
I wouldn't either.
But if I was old, I might.
Oh, there we go. 15 just flipped bears.
Yeah, I think if it gets below here, that'll be a nice one, but.
That's wide.
Yeah, I still have sell stops chilling below the previous 15 bullish.
Yeah, I'm thinking about
We're gonna
taking
go
it,
up.
but just making sure my stop is at 50 pips. So my risk is, my lot size is going to be miniature, but.
Yeah, I feel like if we're gonna go up, then it shouldn't go below this current 15
Yep.
or previous 15. Sorry.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to drop my risk down to 1%. And then if we break below here,
If this candle keeps going, I'm not. What's going on here?
because if you look at the hourly kind of rejected from down here.
And
So,
created a top wick.
because this was kind of our area, we kind of retested, it looked like. So, but it should, this one retested here, so we should stay above this 15 minute that broke above here. We should stay above there if we're going up and make higher lows. It shouldn't break below like this. So like you see higher low, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, same thing, and then we get a lower high and a lower low. That's kind of what we're waiting for is this.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
4 hour closes in 56
Do you think,
minutes.
do you think the spreads are so high because the moves are so vast?
Yep.
Yeah.
It's because of the pip count. That's why it spreads so high.
A lot of uncertainty.
And that could be it too.
But the market's trying to digest all this. No one really knows what to do.
Yeah.
It's unprecedented.
Unprecedented.
I'm done trading for today.
There you go.
I'm at 55 pips and that's it.
Well, damn.
Yeah.
It was risky though. It wasn't. It was.
Traders risky no matter what. So.
Yeah, because it was just like I entered based off a smaller time frame, but overall based off a higher time frame, I thought USD CAD was a shorter. These days, you almost have to enter off a smaller time frame because of the crazy moves.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Got
And
like
then
6 flies on my feet right now. It's not fun.
you just can't have that good confirmation that you like then, unfortunately. So 5 minute actually just formed resistance, but it's 5 minutes. So what does that mean? So it's either
Yeah,
forming
that's the thing,
resistance
it's-
here or it's sitting above here. So your best entry is still once you have confirmation that it's going down. Which this looks like.
5 minutes.
Yeah, we'll see.
5 minutes always more risky than like higher time frames.
Mm-hmm.
Well, honestly, the 5 minutes is about to drop also. Well, if it breaks this like last 5 minute, but I don't trade out the 5 minute though.
Yeah. Yeah, my spread's still really high on GJ as well. It's ranging between 3 and 4.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That current 5 minute should be like a retest candle.
Yep.
It should like break
Come down.
below that one to drop down.
Yep.
There it goes.
It's like 8 pips. 5.
Are you guys taking this one?
No. I'm not, personally.
I will once this 15 minute closes.
Once it closes, now breaks below.
I'm not
Yeah,
just
like-
so that I'm not over trading.
Mm.
You're a professional.
Yeah.
I mean, the spreads are still like 5 pips.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna let this one go.
It's just too high.
Yeah.
There's no way I'm taking 50 pips with a 4 pip spread.
Yeah, we'll let it calm down because, yeah, that's just not a good trade.
Unless we get another 15-minute candle.
Yeah, I'm
Keep
shorting
going.
GU.
What's the spread on that?
For me, it's 2 or 1.5. So, yeah, looks like it's just broken the low on the 30 that it formed from the bullish one. From the 15, it's formed the formation that I look for. So now it's like, for me, there's an easy, how many pips? A minimum. Oh god damn it. Bear with me. So at least like, wow, this is at least, oh my god, I can't even
10
tell.
pips.
Whew. At least like 50, at least 50 pips to be put there. And then I got one runner to like 100 pips.
Yeah, but where's your stop at, and what you got to be running a super tiny lot.
Yeah. So my stops are
25.
2, 4, 2, 5,
150.
5.
Oh no, I just meant like how many pips.
Oh, it's about 70, I think. Maybe. Wait. Ignore me.
My self stop's about to get activated.
Careful, bro. I'm gonna let this one go. I'd close it if you still can.
Nah, I'm gonna let it run.
It's jumping back and forth right now.
Mm-hmm. Remember what happened to me on Thursday? I was in it. I was gonna close early, and then it just jumped, and I was out before it even happened. So I'd just be careful.
I get you. I'm keeping an eye on it, but like I said, I'm already anticipating this move. And it's been working all last week, so
Yeah.
if it was gonna go up, and right now, like I said, I use the 13 as confirmation, so even that's even better than
What happened last week with the
13.
13 though? What happened with that?
I won off of it.
No, then it came down off of it, and we won. Because remember we were trolling you about the EMA? I think that was Wednesday.
Yeah, I was there.
Yeah, that was Wednesday.
Girl, why you lying?
This thing could probably... I have a feeling this could be a massive candle to dump to the downside.
Here we go.
Going with the 4 hour, because the 4 hour the 4 hour has to flip in 1 hour, so this candle's got a lot of room to make up to do that. So this candle
Are you
could
in profit
be
yet?
a monster. Yeah, it's already down like 20 pips. If it gets below that next one, I think you're Gucci.
I should have put the self stop up a little bit higher, like on a 5 minute. Just didn't trust it.
Where'd you put
Shoulda,
it?
coulda, woulda.
Where'd you put it?
Below the 15, the last bullish 15.
And you didn't get activated yet?
No, it's activated. I'm just saying I should have moved it up. Which is like a lot of slip on it.
Oh yeah, no, I think that's just your spread. It wasn't a slip. Yeah, if this thing's gonna come down, this thing should be. These bearish candles should look like this. So we're coming up on the 30-minute low, and if it gets below there, it's the hourly wick will get filled down here, and then we'll probably keep coming. Because the 4 hour went up and it's got to come back down, get below here, flip, and then start to do its thing.
The amount of volume that's in the markets right now are crazy.
Yeah. I mean, it only moved 10 pips, but normally that's a trade for us, 10 pips.
Yeah, damn. Right now, I'm in the 131.697. I had it at 750, but like, well, no, it was 730. But it slipped all the way down. 5 minute candle was 131.880. Yeah, thought I hit my 10 pips.
Paul, I just sent you a picture of the beach that's down my road, like where I'm going to be living, where I'm living. Like, this is what I walk out to every day.
Send in the Zoom chat.
That's pretty dope.
I'll send it on Telegram. Just because like my phone's not there. One sec.
What's the Telegram?
The higher standards trading one.
It's just it's just the free group.
I'm new to the Telegram thing, so I don't know. Hold on.
There we go. There's your boy. One sec, my internet's being crashed.
That's beautiful, man.
Oh yeah, mate. You can get like a pimp house, top tier, like apartment for like no more than like $400-500 US a month, and that's even overpaying. And then like you go out for beers, it's like $1 a beer, not even. Food, like you can get the best food of your life. Like you get street food for like not even $1. If you go to a restaurant, it's like $3 max for a meal. Like, and that's expensive.
I can't see myself living anywhere other than Canada, though.
Yeah, man, you should come over here and give it a go. Oh,
I
nah,
just
man.
like Australia.
I'm too
Australia,
comfortable in
like-
Canada.
Australia, everything out there kills you, and you don't see it coming. And it's this, and the sun, it just burns your skin in a matter of seconds. Pass, man. I can sit out in the sun all day and not burn here.
I heard Canada's most similar to Australia, so.
What?
Sure.
I'm not sure. I've never been to Australia, but Canada, I don't think so.
No, I think
Canada's-
so in terms of law and like.
Oh
this
yeah,
and
yeah, because you guys are still closely related to the United Kingdom. That's why.
Yeah, Commonwealth.
Yeah, because of like because of law and all this stuff like that. But like I thought you meant like just like the environment and stuff like that.
You
Nah,
don't really have to
yeah.
worry about the law too much here. You can just give them some money and they leave you alone.
What, in Australia? Are you crazy?
No, in Vietnam. Vietnam. You get pulled over by the police. You're going a bit too fast. You can slip them like $5 and they leave you.
GG retraced all the way back up.
Mm-hmm.
It's playing games, man. It's playing games.
The fucker is playing games.
I'll just send you the picture directly, man.
Alright.
I don't know how to send it. I don't know. If you go on Paul's Insta, he's got his Telegram link on there.
Yo, Skeeter, where you from? You from Florida?
South Carolina.
Oh, never mind.
South Carolina. I just find it really crazy that I'm sitting here talking to you guys from different parts of the world.
Yeah, that's crazy.
It's
right?
pretty cool.
You know, I play like Call of Duty, Halo. Man, I've been doing it my whole life.
What up, John?
Playing with people from all around the world. Like I used to play with like Canadians, Americans. Like when we used
Yeah,
to
but
play
you
like
don't
Halo.
really realize how like crazy it is until you think about it. For me, at least. Like shit, it's
Yeah.
Monday here, and it's still Sunday where you guys are.
Yeah.
And yeah, we
Cool. And you cut out?
Yeah.
He's starting to sound. He's starting to sound like Akon now.
Mm-hmm.
I think he needs some of that good internet he was
Yeah,
talking
your
to us
mic is
about.
ridiculous. T-Pain, I'm gonna need you to chill out. He's getting a low. Ridiculous. Yeah, I think you'll still be good, Yen.
What's that?
I think you're still good.
Yeah. I wish I had, like I said, pushed it up early, like more on the 5 minute, below that 5 minute bullish, but whatever. As long as it doesn't break that bullish or bearish 5 minute, I'm good.
Yeah. I think it's gonna go down and break the bullish 5 minute.
Where's your stop loss?
Above that 5 minute.
Somebody said rich people are buying stocks and poor people are buying toilet paper.
Big facts.
What is actually the phenomenon with toilet paper? What,
you get stuck inside, you just don't want to be washing your hands, washing your bum with your hands.
I feel like people have just gone delusional.
Not even. You can always just take a shower or whatever the case is.
I mean, just shower yourself clean.
That's what I would do.
I've been wiping my asshole clean for the last how many years?
Oh shit. This is pure comedy today.
Back in the day, they used to fight for TVs on Black Friday. Now people fight for toilet paper, boy.
Mm-hmm.
Yo, I swear, you sound like somebody I know, bro. You ever been to New Jersey or no?
Not New Jersey, no.
Oh shit.
Are you from Florida?
Nah, I was raised in New Jersey, but I'm in Florida now.
Is life really different where you guys are compared to like LA?
I've never been to LA, so I couldn't even tell you.
So,
Don't go to LA right now.
How it works in America is people in like New York, east side of it, like angry and crazy. If you go like Florida side, they're all like crazy people.
No, Florida's
like,
crazy. It's just like hella people with guns and like just weirdos, man.
On the news today, a Florida man killed.
Give that standard Miami news. That's
all
the
jokes
time news
aside,
about
like,
it.
right in Hialeah, some girl just like shot her boyfriend like 5 times over an argument.
No.
Bro.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
can I actually ask, are you guys pro guns for the US? I want to
What's
get
that?
your point of view, like an American's point of view on guns.
Don't get that.
That's it.
Don't get that started.
Nah?
Nah, don't do that. Because it's too touchy. Let's talk about something else. Let's miss this machine gun spray.
Did you guys hear about the guy who had like $17,000 worth of like hand sanitizer, and he was selling them on like eBay, Amazon for like $70? and now they all like the certain companies banned him or blocked him off.
Yeah, I saw
Wait,
it
what?
allowed him to took all his posts and stuff down.
Yeah,
eBay and try to, see how much people were selling it for, and you couldn't actually buy any of his advertisements. Or
yeah,
his,
because he was like selling it for like $70 or something, right?
yep, he was price gouging big time.
Those are asshole people, bro.
Crazy out here in these streets, man. Everybody trying to hustle, man.
Oh shit.
But there's like different type of hustling. Like
Yeah,
that guy's trying to use,
scamming.
yeah, and he's also what was it? What's the word I'm looking for? I forgot the word. Never mind. I lost it. Stocks on GG right now.
It's like an apocalypse, man. Yo, is it a ghost town in Florida?
Not even, man. Like it's weird. Like people are coming out and sometimes they're not, but
Yeah.
you still catch the occasional weirdo here and there.
My buddy said there's a ghost town in North Carolina.
Oh, I don't even know.
So that's why I asked. I don't know how. I know yesterday the parking lot in my apartment complex was full. So I was like, damn, everybody minding their business tonight.
Does every state in America have at least one case?
At least what?
Nah, I don't think
One
so.
case
So I
of
think-
coronavirus?
Oh,
or
I
at
don't
least
know.
one case. Yeah, they do. But I think in South Carolina we got like 11 or some number like that, or 16 or something like that.
I know in
So you-
Ontario there's like 139 last time I checked.
Yeah, South Carolina has 12 people reported.
You know who's gonna really profit off these times?
Traders.
Yeah, but the man that have those millions of dollars that can buy those stocks right now.
Which stocks?
Dow or all.
You think by now? I reckon we haven't seen anything yet.
I'm just saying, like, even if it does drop down further, like, this is a perfect opportunity because no matter what, it's gonna pump back up. That's why I believe so.
Yeah, me
Over
too.
the next years, I agree, but I'm expecting Dow 8K. Might be pretty-
Really?
Yeah, 100%. We are in the biggest debt bubble in history. But we won't get into that, otherwise I won't stop talking, but that's just
But I'm just
what
saying,
I
like, yeah,
predict.
I'm just saying in general, like, I'm not that well informed about it or anything, but I'm just saying in general, those funds are gonna profit heavy.
100%.
You say 8K? That's a lot,
I'm
boy.
expecting Dow 8K, yeah.
Let me look at the map. Let me see what you
I'm not that well educated on it, but I just know in general though.
That's what we say.
So,
8K, boy.
I wish I had a hefty bank account right now.
Me
So we gotta
both.
catch these pips. So we gotta catch these pips and start playing.
1000%.
Hey, 2009 was the last time the Dow was 8K.
I think we'll retest that.
I don't know, man. Not with Trump as the president. He gonna find a way. I don't know, man. The way this thing set up.
See, I'm not sure who's talking with me about the stocks right now.
Mm-hmm.
I was gonna say, do you think, like, I'm not that well educated at all, but do you think, because Trump's saying that they're pumping in like trillions of dollars right now, just printing out money. Isn't that gonna just increase inflation like tremendously, like a lot more?
Yeah, 1000%. The problem is they're trying to solve the issue with more debt, which is the silliest thing I've heard of, and it's just we're gonna hit a credit freeze at the moment. They're just stopping the credit freeze.
Yeah. So can't you also say that this is not even like the real recession? Like, this is not a recession at all. Like, it's gonna relatively come really like soon due to the fact that they're pumping tons of money now.
I think there's something bigger, to be honest. This coronavirus situation comes at a time where the market is at its maximum, like inflation. To me, I just don't understand. Something's fishy out here, and
The rich want to get richer. They just want to bring the prices down.
100%, the middle class will get wiped, and all the money will get shifted up to the 1%. It's the same thing. History repeats itself time and time again.
So I'm trying to build my bank account, waiting another 10 to 15 years for this to happen again.
Yeah, now we can get there now. All we gotta do is learn how to do this, and every time the price go down, we collect pips. That's all we gotta do. The market go up, we collect more
But
pips.
Trump wants to offer tax incentives for US residents or citizens that invest in the stock market. I think that's the biggest scam in history.
What goes down must come up.
Yes, sir.
They're forcing it to come up right now. They're trying to.
Yeah, that's what it looked like. Like it comes up and then it drops right back down. It's like
Correct, but it can't hold its gains. We got rate cuts today, but
Yeah.
stock futures are 600 points down, 700 points down. It's
The
ridiculous.
start is 700 points down today, no?
Yeah, it's crazy.
It gives us more opportunity on Forex, though.
Definitely. I'll speak for myself. I'm taking the opposite side of the trade, so I'm heavily involved in commodities, physical, gold and silver, and cryptocurrency.
Oh, you
For the long
crypto.
term.
Ah, shock. All Australians love crypto.
I don't know. I have lots of crypto. Too much, maybe.
I've yet to get into crypto. I don't think I would ever. I think I would just stick to currency. Just because it's,
Yeah, man.
like, for my mind, it's simpler and more understanding.
Copyright YouTube. Apple.
I don't know what to say. I don't think Bitcoin's coming back after this.
100% will.
You say you think they will?
Yeah, of course it will.
1000%, man. It's the only. You gotta understand. It's a mode of transaction that isn't issued by the Fed or issued by any government. Once the dollar collapses or the market collapses, I don't know. I feel like there's something bigger on hand. There's a bigger plan. I reckon a revolution's coming, but that can make me sound delusional. But we'll see what happens.
I remember back in the day, they would always say when the market crashed, everybody would shift their money into Bitcoin. You know what I'm talking about? And now the market crashed and everybody taking out of Bitcoin. I mean, even I took my money out of Bitcoin because I saw the price going down.
Have you boys ever seen the Wall Street cheat sheet? Like
No.
See if I can post it into.
Okay, I'm gonna head out for today, guys.
See you, my friend.
All right, boss man.
Stay safe. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Yes,
All
sir.
right, then.
Stay brave.
And I'm not sure, Paul's here. Hey, Paul, if you want to play COD after, let me know.
I think he's making food.
Yeah, he making food.
Can I
Classic.
send it? I can't send a picture. Maybe a link.
Is that screeching coming from here? Was there a big screeching sound?
Not
I didn't
bad.
hear anything.
Like a high pitch something?
I didn't hear anything.
Huh. It must be in my apartment. That's weird. I'll be back.
Cool.
Wow, what is GG doing right now?
Yeah, mate, you are getting GU. GU looks way cleaner.
How's that GU trade looking?
I'm bubbling in profit, Rick.
Oh, good trade.
Oh shit! I didn't even look. I didn't even notice more profit now. I didn't even look. Yeah, I'm just gonna come out of that now, and then be happy.
Which one did y'all get in?
GU. I called it out earlier.
I'm not in the trade.
Yeah, I got in at like 239 area. Yeah, so walking away with like 30 pips. There you go. Street life, mate. Come to Asia. Yeah, but honestly, if you guys want to come over like this side of the world and get like a trading villa sorted, I'm down. I'm super down.
But you should get like a what?
Like so like in like Bali, I know friends that like got like grind houses. So like there's just loads of people living there that like just like fucking trade or do e-commerce, and like because like you know the cost of like you can get luxury apartments for like not that much. Like it's a bit more expensive than ours, but like still not that much. Like you can live like as if you had millions and millions with like a few thousand. And the vibe there is so cool. And then there's loads of people doing the same kind of thing as well.
That does sound pretty cool though.
Yeah, it is cool, man. Honestly, like I'm gonna start doing that probably after Vietnam. I'll go Bali, like, and I'll show you what life's like, man. Just follow me on Insta and you'll see, man. Life's pretty good here, man.
I'm just waiting for the market to give me a good opportunity. I'm gonna short the Dow.
I had short the S&P and it worked out. And then when he mentioned something about, well, I guess I should have just took my money out. That's what I didn't take it out. I don't know. I didn't take my profits. But I knew it was gonna keep going down. And then when he mentioned something about the repo, it caused the price to shoot up and hit my stop.
You have to be careful. This is what I'm saying. It's just so. I don't know. Like, we're just getting dead cat bounces at the moment. They're trying everything to prop this up. Nothing's working.
Yeah.
You don't call negative rates and then wake up to fucking futures 700 points down. I think SPY will see 1570, 1600.
Damn, man, this spread ain't no joke.
Yeah, mine actually just settled down.
Close 14 pips.
What pair?
No, I'm just reading Eric's message. I don't know. I didn't jump in any trades. Oh, he said GJ.
Oh, nice. Top of last bullish wick. So you went for a buy.
Top of the last, yeah. That's not bad.
Can you guys hear me okay now?
Look at that nonsense candle.
Man, GJ is so fucking just all over the place.
Yeah, it's a mess. Gotcha, Young. Gotcha. Nope, no trade. I'm not trading tonight. I don't like the.
I'm pretty short long-term gold here.
Yeah, I don't like the conditions of the market right now.
Does anyone think we'll retest 1450? I think so.
It's about gold.
Ash?
I think he's checking out his food. He might be at a restaurant or something.
Can you hear me? Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, what's up? Well, sorry, I was too busy like playing with a dog. What's up?
My like medium term projections for gold is 1450.
Let me have a look.
I'm pretty short on it at the moment.
Yeah, so are you shorting it now?
No. I'm just long term bearish or medium term
Oh.
bearish.
I don't really do the whole like I'm just in and out. Oh, you piece of shit! I'm in and out.
Nice.
So I got
Nice.
I just got my iPad. Yeah, I just kind of in and out within like half an hour in every trade. So I kind of do what these guys what more than larger kind of do. Just I trades, and then once I'm done, you can close it or set an alert, and then yeah, I just kind of ride the waves. Don't really go for super big moves. But the big
Can you
moves
boys
happen.
click? Does the link work in Zoom? This is what I'm looking at the moment. This is the daily though. I just don't see it holding.
I think this should hold.
My iPad into it. I mean, yeah, that's a big target though. It's a huge target.
If you're after, I don't know. I feel like this could. We'll see.
Hey man, if you what I do is say is just trail your stop loss and take some profits off the table.
So you remember what I said last week? How when it breaks lows and highs, and then it doesn't respect it, it ends up ranging. Look at
Yeah,
that.
I remember that.
Yeah, this one broke the low here, so we should have came down, but then we broke the high, and now we're gonna move sideways for a little bit.
Saturday.
Yeah, if you
Yep,
did
spread is way too much for me as well.
You did enter some shorts like half an hour ago, or whatever. Take some profits off the table now and then have a running. If that's what you did.
Probably if people are going off the daily here on gold, stop loss 1576. Still too early in the week though.
Yeah, market just opened, so.
Yeah. Definitely. I feel like we have to see some retests here. I'm bullish as on silver long term. I reckon $65, $70 silver per ounce. $4 years, 5 years.
Yeah, no, that's not my vibe. Just looking at God now on the daily. See how long it took. We thought it went up to 1700 real quick. Man, it's gone down to 1500 even quicker. That's insane. Jesus.
Yep, see you later, Nick.
the annoying thing now. Like, I've got nothing to do for the rest of the day now.
Call of Duty is where I'm going for the night. Lauren's where she's closing tonight, so I got all night to just have guy time.
You play the new mode Warzone?
Yeah, it's actually not that bad.
Yeah, I like it. Honestly, the Gulag, whatever you want to call it,
Mhm.
is like the best addition to like the
Mhm.
Battle Royale twist.
I like
that.
it. Yeah, it wasn't bad.
How much is do you have to pay a subscription for the Activision thing, or is it just like Xbox Live thing?
Nah. You pay the PlayStation Network like a yearly or monthly or whatever you want to do, and then you just.
Oh, I'm not getting a PlayStation. I can tell you that for a fact. PlayStation's the worst controllers in the world. I might have like the market, I don't have myself. Oh, you play on Xbox, right?
Yep.
Magic.
Yeah, I don't like little boys, so I don't play on PlayStation.
Oh, smack talk.
Let's change the topic here.
Got
Just like
him.
the guns, please.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie that the like Xbox versus PlayStation memes are funny as hell, man.
Mhm.
I see my Instagram.
Those are always fun.
Can you,
No,
can
I'll,
you, like an
PS4 players are getting better because once I don't know which game it was, but I know the MLG transferred over to PS4, and I think ever since then PS4's really stepped it up.
Wait, you said what transferred over?
Like the competitive scene, like MLG when they play, like the COD champs or like the tournaments, it's all on PS4.
Oh.
So I feel like that ever since then, PlayStation's really kind of stepped up their like skill gap that they used to have with Xbox. I don't think it's as wide now.
Oh, I got you.
What up, Daniel?
Oh man.
But do you say who was talking before with the PS4? Is that Apollo? Or was that you, Yen? Was that you?
What happened?
The PS4? Was that you?
Yeah, I play on PS4.
You got Modern Warfare?
Of course. Yeah.
Well,
But
what
it's
do you?
cross-platform, so
Yep.
you can
I was
still
gonna say
play
we
PC
can,
and Xbox.
We can.
All right, boys, I'm back.
Once this is done, we can play if you're not busy.
Yeah, no, done deal. I'm down.
Was that Ashley? Ashley can't play. You're not good enough.
Oh, you piece of shit. No, I'll be playing next month, man. Once my drug money comes in, I'll be playing.
Your drug money? You mean your stripper money or your home money?
From the clinical trial.
Oh, I was talking about your prostituting you've been doing.
Nah, that was just not. That's just me linking up with like some chick you like.
Wait,
I got
so
some Russian chick.
where you stay at? Do a lot of people speak English, or you just like different languages?
Just English, mate.
Yeah,
I'm not
actually,
in-
No, you
I'm
see,
just,
you're like Vietnam or something like that, or Korea.
I'm in Vietnam. Yeah. I wouldn't be doing that in Korea, man. That's not a vibe. Yeah, here and I was just on Tinder last night. I'll read you my story. Here we go. This is the conversation. Where is she? So she said she's got out of the corporate stuff and come over to Vietnam.
So I said, so what corporate trap are you in? Well, I traded people, then began to torment them, and then had a hellish conundrum. I was like, cool. Sounds like something I could really get into. It's like, if you're a brave boy, you'll come and have some drinks later then. And I was like, please don't tell me you're teaching online. I said, nah man, I'm doing some way cooler shit. But you gotta have drinks with me to find out what I do. So she's like, yeah, I wanna hear about it. I'm like, let's have some drinks. I accept the challenge. So yeah, so we're going for lunch today.
How'd it go?
That was it. No, what? I told you we live in the future here. So it's 7 a.m. now, or 7:45 in the morning. Yeah.
I don't know. My trades are setting up today.
Yeah, man.
Big moves.
Did JR get off?
There was a setup.
Yep, see you later, Doug. Have a good night. Yeah, I'm thinking we'll probably call it a night in about 10 minutes or so.
9 o'clock, well, 8 o'clock your time, I guess.
Yeah, 8 o'clock. I'm just going to finish this food, and then I'll put my backpack on, and I'll play some Call of Duty with you so you can get in the backpack.
My backpack on.
I don't have a big enough backpack for Ashley yet, but I'm working on it.
I want to play with you one day.
I'm waiting.
I used to play pretty competitively, but not anymore.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I was number 6 in Australia at one stage.
Oh, shit.
Damn. Did you play on any pro teams?
No, I didn't play pro, ever. I played so much League, played till my dick fell off and I got DDoSed for no eternity.
Yeah.
You remember League play, Paul? Black Ops 2? I think that was the most fun I ever had.
That was my best game. I played with Twisted Method for a little bit. With like Solo and Snowhair and those guys.
Yeah, right.
They're from the United States. You might not know who they are.
No, well, I only played against other OCE trash.
Alright, boys, I'm about to eat some food myself. I'm hungry.
You gonna get on some COD?
I will later. I'm probably gonna run some Dota first. I gotta get my MMR back up.
Bro, if you bail on COD tonight, oh, you're gonna...
Hey, I played last time, you know?
I
You know, I just gotta get my dub in with the boys, you know?
I'll hit you up in a little bit.
Alright, bro.
Yeah,
And then, hey, we still gotta do... You didn't hit me up this weekend for a session, so we still gotta do that.
When do you want me to hit you up?
Let's do it tomorrow.
Alright, that's cool. I'll be up late. You already know.
Yep.
So, up late.
Alright.
Up early.
Every day.
Let's get it, boys. Alright, y'all.
I'm heading off too, boys. Take care.
Ciao.
See ya.
Yep, I'm gonna end the live stream, guys. I'm gonna keep the Zoom up so you guys don't have to leave yet. But I'm gonna end the live stream. I mean, thanks for coming. I guess we didn't really do anything. Hopefully, we'll be better tomorrow. But if you guys didn't get a trade and you're waiting for one, just close your charts. Don't take any trades. Wait till New York or London session until everything's kind of calmed down. But we'll be back tomorrow, same time.